I'm going to show you how to make a creamy avocado spread. Good morning. I'm filming by myself today. I don't have my partner in crime, so it's gonna be a little bit challenging. Today I'm gonna show you how to make a creamy avocado spread. So you can make your avocado toast at home, and you can make it as easy or as complicated as you want it to be. You can make it early in the morning, eat it for breakfast, and off you go for work. So to get started, I'm going to show you my ingredients. I got some local honey here, some bread, any kind of bread, and of course 1 avocado, and about 1 tablespoon or so of cream cheese. You can use low-fat cream cheese. If you like a little salt, you can add salt, but I don't. The cream cheese would come with a little salt. This is about 2 weeks in my refrigerator. If you want to know how I keep my avocado in the refrigerator for about 2 to 3 weeks, watch my previous video about how to store avocado in the refrigerator without freezing. Take the avocado, put it in a bowl. Just smash your avocado down. See, I'm gonna eat this right away, so I'm not gonna put any lemon. But if you don't like your avocado to turn brown or dark, you need to squeeze a little lemon. But I'm gonna eat it right away, so I don't need it. I find that it will stay a good color for about half an hour. And then I'm going to put my cream cheese. And then my favorite honey. This honey is really good and it's local. So I'm just going to put about half a teaspoon of it. Okay? Or a little more. Now, if you all know, eating local honey is healthy because that's help with your immune system. You don't get a lot of allergy, seasonal allergy, so to speak. The closer to your home the honey is made, or maybe you call it harvested, the better it is. Okay, so you can smash it as creamy as you want. I like a little chunky. Okay, so I'm gonna put the extra honey in there, and that's it. So that didn't take me but 2 minutes. So now I have my French bread, and what I'm gonna do, scoop it. Whoop. This is about 2 servings, so I might not finish them all. And this is my breakfast. I got avocado and protein. So if you like more cream cheese, you can definitely put more cream cheese in it. I like a thick layer of it. And as I said, you can make it as complicated or as easy like this. Complicated meaning you want to put some dry garlic or fresh garlic or onion, red peppers chopped up, or toasted sesame seed. Alright, so it didn't take me about more than 3 minutes to make this. And of course I'm filming, it might take me a little longer, but It was all about 3 minutes. This one is topped with sesame seed, topped with pecan nuts, and tree nuts should be part of your daily diet, like almonds, walnut, pecans, hazelnuts, macadamia nuts. It's healthy for you. Another substitute you can use for your cream cheese will be light sour cream. This is breakfast. So good, creamy, and actually healthy, except for the bread. But use some wheat bread or sprouted bread, and that should take care of that. So subscribe to this channel if you like this blog. I'll see you on the next blog. Bye.